I'm working this cross hatching on one of the front or rear rails of this tea table. And so the first thing I did was glue on some cross hatching here that I did on the computer on SketchUp. And then what I do is use a knife and just cut. Right here you can see that I've done the carving over here, but starting about right here, all there is a knife cut that I've done on all those lines, and then I removed the paper template pretty much, and I can see the cut line from the knife, and I use this little tool to actually do the carving. And I'll just go right down the knife cut. And I'll probably do that in one direction and then go back and do the other direction. This is not exactly a V tool. It's a little bit rounded at the bottom. I use this to carve my name on finished pieces of furniture. I've not used it before for other kinds of carving, but it worked out that this tool seems to do a better job of those cuts. So I've done a few in one angle, and I need to go back over with the other angle, but I'm in the way of the picture unless I can crawl in here and get it from the other, come from the other angle. I'll get in over on the other side. See if I can do it this way. Oh, it's not easy. All right, so I've got to come back to here. There, I think you get the idea of how I'm doing this. It makes me wonder how the original pieces were done, the tools that they used, the way of marking this out. I had the advantage of creating the template in SketchUp. They drew this out by hand. I'm not sure how they transferred that to the wood. But that's the way I'm working this.